Good afternoon to one and all present here. I welcome you all for this virtual extramural series on social media paralyzed. So today we have Yuga version of first year ECE to present his session. So over to you, Yuga version.
Hello, ma'am.
If you are audible, Yuga version, just proceed.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, hello, warm welcome to everyone for this session. I'm Yugarshan from ECE Department of First Year. Once again, I welcome you to attend for this session. Today, I'm here to present a topic on largest outage that paralyzed the social media platform. As we all know that a month ago on October 4th, 2021 Monday, there was a huge outage on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram for about 6 hours. Let me explain you what is the meaning of outage. Outage is nothing but which is interruption in which interruption in the services which is provided for the people. Uh, as As per the Indian timing, the outage was held on the timing of 9:30 p.m. to 4 a.m. as per the Indian timing. They say that it was the long and last and dark failure ever in the history of social media. The users or the consumers, they are not able to share or communicate with people. These are the main drawback for the outages. There were many problems uh, on there were many effects on the huge outage. Let us see what are they. Last, productivity. Today's business is totally dependent on online communication and services. From small to large scale, depend upon social media for their marketing ethics. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp are the huge platform for many companies to deal with their clients and consumers. These activities were totally down during the outage and many faced productivity losses. Nextly, we come to lost opportunity. Uh, this outage had a rapid impact on opportunities where customers won't be able to find their services or products they need of. So, market of a company or a product gradually goes down. Yes, we already know that it is anyway directly proportional. If fewer customers, then fewer revenue. There were there was a huge revenue loss for many MNCs and many companies, which was where the social media is the backbone of their marketing ethics. Finally, we come to brand damage. It is more important to maintain the brand name because creating a brand name is a long-term process which needs more hard work and time to develop the brand. If users frequently encounters the same outage that make difficult to use company's product or services, that will not only stop consuming them but also share their negative experience to the other and the brand name goes continuously down. Even though the Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook are ruling the social media, they faced a slight brand damage during the 6 hours of outages. Nextly, we let us look upon the replies from the concerned companies for this outage. Uh, yeah, WhatsApp was the first to give a info about the outage in Twitter at 9:46 p.m. October 4, 2021, Monday night, spontaneously followed by the Facebook and Instagram. These three official pages intimated that there was a problem and they were inquiring about that, and they make sure that it will be soonly rectified as soon as possible and apologized for the issues made. Literally, all three informed about the outage, but no one relieved the real cause of the problem. It is kept secret till now. Next, let us see people's point of view on the downtime of Facebook and WhatsApp. Yeah, spend some time with family and friends too. Not everything can be achieved by social media. This content was published after the on October 5th, after the outage was made. So the people come to know everything cannot be achieved through the social media. So they can spend some time with their family and friends. This was published after the downtime. Many realized social media is an addiction. By this time of outage, a lot more people were active in Twitter and shared their experience about the interruption in usage and sharing their information and pictures. On that day, hashtag quality time was trending and was on the top of the table. Many referred persons, they are the blue tick mark remains the referred persons. Many also shared their point of view on this outage. Many commented that they wished all social media apps to go down for a week so that they can spend some time with family and friends. Finally, we come to the huge loss for the CEO of the company, Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg loses rupees $6 billion in an hour after the Facebook outage, which is approximately close to 52,000 crores in Indian rupees, which made him to push back to fourth to fifth position of the table of richest person. I finally conclude my speech by saying thanks to the Kite for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and thank you all.
Thank you, Yuga Version, for sharing a useful piece of information. So everybody would have spent their time along with their family members after your session, and it was really interesting, Yuga Version. So thank you guys for joining. So thank you, Yuga Version, once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a nice day, guys.